this contains the video of the same game, but the sequel from the last game. From the same warning, jump scares, airplanes, and much more horror aspects. If you don't like that stuff, please don't watch, but proceed with caution. Hello guys, T-Guys here, and welcome back to Airplane Story Mode. Now let's say welcome to Airplane Story Mode 2. This is the beginning of a new life. Let's go ahead and play this one. Now the last game we have beaten, which was the first game. First game was fun, but I'm ready to play Airplane 2. Set up your volume, leave a like and favorite. I think it says enjoy the game. No, never mind. Sorry, it said enjoy the game. Alright, here we go. Airplane 2, here it is. So, here we go. A brand new one? What is happening? What is going on? There's my seat. I can sit here. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Airplane 2. Let's see. Oh, I should be doing the voices. Hang on. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. That's nice. As you can probably tell, this is not the regular airplane. But is it though, ladies and gentlemen? I will welcome you to the non-presidential aircraft. You heard that right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Okay. We still don't understand why the captain lost control. But that time anyways, you saved the day, and that was the reason why we are here. Okay. Alright. Enough chatting. Okay? Please find a seat and the golden label with your name on it. It looks amazing. We're about to cross the... Yeah, see, that's the same thing from the last game. But oh my god. Thank you so much for watching the last part from Airplane Story Mode 1. I love that one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is somebody dead already? I think I just saw someone die. Yeah, someone's dead. Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. I have been informed President Eugene is waiting for you in the next room. Let's find him for introduction. It's like 1 o'clock. There he is! Do you see us? I don't think he saw us. Look at these guys. Look at them. And remember, no one should know about this. Oh, he saw us. Dude. I should probably stand out. Did anyone else see that? I did. There he is! Welcome to the presidential airplane. I'm jumping around. I congratulate you for what you have done. Your country has been grateful. Follow me to the next room. We will give you some instructions. Yes, sir. Wow, this place is big. Last time we were in a small plane. I mean, it was kind of small. Oh, hey. Look at this dining room. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room for a couple of minutes. The workroom. Okay, but there is something you must know before that. What is it? The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Huh. Please do anything we can to not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Yes, sir. That's all. President should be almost ready. Wish you could sit in these. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while you wait? Whoa! Oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh god, no, wait, what? Look at the mess. Oh god, we need to find a mop. We need to find a mop. Oh god. We'll find something to clean it. We gotta find a cleaning thing. Maybe it's in here. Yeah, there's it. There it is, a broom. A broom. Oh my god, we did it. We're gonna have to... Oh my god, look at this wet mess. Look what they did to the place. Hurry up, it's like not that long. We get caught by this guy, I'm gonna... You freaking bastard. You did! Sorry, I'm afraid fires will be enough to wait somewhere else. Well, I don't even know where he is. President is ready now. You have to clean it. You're gonna have to clean this mess. Okay. So, do we just go? Oh wait, it takes us to another area. Hey, at least we get to know what's going on here. I'm ready to see him. Alright. He's not even in here. Where is he? Oh my god, he looks almost like Donald Trump. Look at this guy. Can we sit? No. Who is this guy? Build that brick wall. He is actually Donald Trump. Wait, what? That looks funny. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a habit. Okay. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Roblox state. You must know you are heroes of the nation. We have delicious meals prepared for this special moment. Okay, sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food isn't ready yet. I believe the chef has messed up. What? Throw that chief off this plane. We want to take care of him, Mr. President. Oh. Alright, Bunny Cakes, why don't you look like a great chef? Okay. But, Mr. President, I never cooked before. That's nice. But you better learn quick or else I'm throwing you off the plane too. Where is she? She's in there? Oh my god, she's in there! Oh my god, she's in there right now. Guys, don't do this. No! We're gonna have the baddest food in the damn soup pot. Okay. Grab the wrong ingredient and throwing it in the trash can will be, but be quick. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, she's ready. Oh my god. Okay. The soup needs a tomato. Okay, grab that. Tomatoes. Put it in there. Yeah, okay. The soup needs fish. Fish is right there. You take it. Okay, you got it. There you go. The soup needs salt. Okay. Soup needs salt again? Wow. Awesome. The soup needs tomato again. Dang. Awesome. Food is ready. We did it. Yeah, Mr. President, you happy? Oh, let's jumping into another cutscene. Wow, this is amazing. Whoa! Hey! I want to sit down. Can I sit? I want to take a seat. There we go. We're in a seat. Yo, why is Jeffy on here? Can I eat that? Can I eat that? Like, for real? I want to eat it. I don't think you can. Alright, let's see what he says. Enjoy! Oh, so he's actually making us eat it? Oh. Yum. Oh, and it takes us to another area. Where now? Am I done? We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. You should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Follow the path to the computer room. Follow the path? Oh, there we go. There it is. The door is opened. Let's see. Ooh. Hey. Nice room you got there, sir. Oh, there's the thing here. So here's all the computers. Welcome to the computer room. Okay. We use this room to protect any cybernetical attacks on the systems. Okay. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. I guess you can say it's locked. In order to protect the president, we create a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Oh, I don't want to be hacked. So, is it blue, green, blue? Oh, I see. Green. Is it just all green? So all these screens are green. Wow! That was ridiculous. You already need to work into that code. Hello, President. Nice mustache. A bedroom. What? Oh, what's up, boy? Whoa! He just teleported me again. Alright, what's up? Hello again. Sorry, I had to leave early. I had to, get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as your every special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. This room? I know where they are. I think I see them. No, it says haunted. Oh, I found a haunted thing. What is this? It's paper. What? I just found paper. There. Found the keys. I found the keys. What? I'm confused. Great. Let's open the door. What? Alright, this is where I'm going to leave the episode here. If you guys want to see more of this, comment down below. And let's get to 20 views on this episode. And you guys can see. And then you'll see the next one. Bye. Bye.